This dance is called Hold That Note. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve a level line dance with one tag and one restart. Starting on the right foot with a vaudeville step. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, touch that right heel forward on the diagonal, 130, then bring the right back beside the left. Cross shuffle, left over right, cross, side, cross. Step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, and the and count you bring the right back beside the left, and you add on another left-footed cross shuffle, crossing that left over the right, right to the side, left over right. That set of steps once more then. Vaudeville off on the right. 7, 8, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side, behind and cross shuffle. Rock to the side on the right. As you recover your weight, you're going to make a quarter turn to the left. Your weight is now on that left foot. Shuffle forward on the right, right, close, right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right and add on a left-footed coaster step, back, close the step. That set of steps once more then. Side rock quarter turn off on the right. 7, 8, rock, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Let's add that to the top. Vaudeville off on the right. 7, 8, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side, behind and cross shuffle, rock, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. You're going into 3 heel switches. So you're going to touch your right heel forward, step the right beside the left, touch the left heel forward, step the left beside the right. Touch that right heel forward again and clap your hands twice. Then go into a right-footed coaster step, back, close, step, and then 2 steps forward, left, right. That set of steps once more then, heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, heel and heel and heel, clap, clap, coaster, step, walk, walk. Let's add that to the top. Vaudeville off on the right. 7, 8, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side, behind and cross shuffle, rock, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, heel and heel and heel, clap, clap, coaster step, walk, walk. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. Into a half shuffle turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left, then rock to the side on the right and recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then, forward rock off on the left. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, side, rock. End of the dance, when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Vaudeville off on the right. 7, 8, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side, behind and cross shuffle, rock, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, heel and heel and heel, clap, clap, coaster step, walk, walk, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, side, rock. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the cats. Vaudeville off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I am going to speed it up a little bit as we go around the walls because the music is just that little bit faster. Vaudeville off on the right. 7, 8. Cross and heel and cross shuffle. Side, behind and cross shuffle. Rock, turn, right shuffle. Forward rock, coaster step. Heel and heel, clap, clap. Coaster step, walk, walk. Forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, side rock. Cross and cross shuffle. Side, behind and cross shuffle. Rock, turn, right shuffle. Forward rock, coaster step. Heel and heel, clap, clap. Coaster step, walk, walk. Forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, side rock. Cross and cross shuffle. Side, behind and cross shuffle. Rock, turn, right shuffle. Forward rock, coaster step. Heel and heel, clap, clap. Coaster step, walk, walk. Forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, side rock. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is your dance. Now we do have one little restart and a tag in this dance. So your restart comes first on wall 5, which is your front wall, halfway through the dance. Don't go into your heel switches. Let's take you up to 16 counts and restart the dance. Vaudeville off on the right. 7, 8. Cross and cross shuffle. Side, behind and cross shuffle. Rock, turn, right shuffle. Forward rock, coaster step, restart. Cross and cross shuffle. Side, behind and cross shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. Restart wall 5 after 16 counts, halfway through. You then get to wall 7. Wall 7 will actually now also be your front wall. At the end of wall 7, you'll be facing 3 o'clock. This is where you add in your tag. So your tag is simply a jazz box. Cross, back, side, close. Okay, single count timing, crossing that right over, back on the left, right to the side, left, side, right. End of wall 7. So let's take you up to the end of wall 7, add on your tag and restart the dance. Vaudeville off on the right. 7, 8. Cross and cross shuffle. Side, behind and cross shuffle. Rock, turn, right shuffle. Forward rock, coaster step. Heel and heel, clap, clap. Coaster step, walk, walk. Forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, side rock, tag, cross, back, side close, restart, cross and cross shuffle. Side, behind and cross shuffle. So that's your tag, end of wall 7. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, your tag and your restart information. Restart 16 counts into wall 5, tag, jazz box, end of wall 7. What's left to give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Cross and heel, cross shuffle. Side, behind and cross shuffle. Rock, turn, right shuffle. Forward rock, coaster step. Heel and heel, clap, clap. Coaster step, walk, walk. Forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, side rock. Cross and heel, cross shuffle. Side, behind and cross shuffle. Rock, turn, right shuffle. forward rock, coaster step, heel and heel tap tap, coaster step, walk, walk, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, side rock, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side behind and cross shuffle, rock, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, heel and heel tap tap, coaster step, walk, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, side rock, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side behind and cross shuffle, rock, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, heel and heel, coaster step, walk, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, side rock, no bells. Should restart walk, rock turn, restart, go to bells, rock turn, heels, forward rock, go to bells, tag walk, rock turn, heels, forward rock, is your tag jazz, go to bells, hope you managed that one.